Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign out of Google Meet on iPhone. What you need to do, first just go to Google Meet app. After that you see here your profile icon on the top right. Just click here. After that just click manage account on this device. Now it will show your different account. For example, if I want to sign out from this account, just I turn it off, or just I can click here, remove from this device. Just click here. This is what you need to do if you want to sign out of Google Meet on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.